Okay, I am so fucking pissed off. Keys. Yep. Full evacuation. You up?
Yeah, I'm in here,
Man, that sucks. Nope, not that one. Fire. It wasn't us this time. Yeah, I do. The detectors aren't on. I mean, they are, but they're not steady red. You're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. You know what the worst part is? No, I was just about to fall asleep.
I thought maybe you left the stove on again.
Nope.
Did you ever shut it off?
Yeah, it's been off for an hour or so, or at least. I turned it off.
1 o'clock? Pretty sure. That's really what you grabbed for a sweatshirt?
I couldn't find anything from home.
You hardly looked.
Because I was just finishing to asleep and I thought
Uh,
It takes me a second.
Well, guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna go share this on the Discord. See that room right there? It was that one.
But if 208 is this side, what is that?
This is the even number.
So then that's
It's
206.
no,
That's 306.
Alarms are still going off, but yeah, I'm heading back. Well, I mean, at least they silenced them. Not much. Hi. Yep, they're all going to that back in, I think. The strobes are still going off. Yep, still going off. People need to learn how to fucking. Yeah. I have no say anymore. But then again, it was just that there was a lot of gunk on the stove. See you guys. See you next alarm. Okay, so the system was still going off. Let's see, is it still going off or did it reset? Nope. I think I saw the annunciator. It was in the Skype lounge. Nope, it's blinking. Huh, cool. I think this is the first time they let us in when it was still going off. It's still going off, see?